Let's take five. I'm looking out my office window at snow just coming down, and it probably will for all day and perhaps all night. So my take five immediately goes to those men and women out there driving snowplows on our side roads and main roads to keep them clear, particularly for emergency purposes. I'm sure they would like to be back home sitting by the fireplace, but yes, they're paid to do what they're doing, but it's going to be really challenging as the snow gets deeper. They'll have to replow the roads several times. And it's not that all that comfortable, but here's the good part. When my driveway is cleared, probably not for a couple of days, I'll be driving out on safe roads without any snow packed on it, just nice, clear roads so that I can go get my groceries or do whatever I need to do. Let's thank the thousands, particularly down in South where they don't have that much to work with, who are out clearing our roads in the middle of these terrible storms. Let's thank them all. Let's call them Jane and Joe. Take five.